problem is the focal point of any research. A good problem statement is just one sentence with several paragraphs of elaboration. Characteristics. A good problem statement should answer these questions. Is the problem current interest? Is the problem likely to continue into the future? How large is the population affected by the problem? Would this study substantially revise or extend existing knowledge? Is there evidence or authoritative opinion from others to support the need for this research? This should explain why the problem is needed.
Okay, in our case, the structure that we will explain is it's on a statement of the problem that was taken from Antonio, A.L., Chan, and M.J. This statement of the problem is about racial diversity that used to happen in classroom where there is a big diversity of racial or students from different racial places. So first of all, the problem. In this case, the problem is the racial diversity, as I said before. But it has something good, which is that it brings some very good outcomes with positive intellectual and social outcomes for college students. It also says, who has the problem? This problem was developed in the United States. I would say that most of the schools over there have students that came from different places. So they said that it was good because thanks to the discussions that they used to have about racial or ethnic issues, the students were developing a social self-concept and a good student retention and a higher intellectual level. But it has also some limitations. If I say that we will apply this statement of the problem for a case in our country, we will have to do it in a high school that has students, let's say, from different Indian ethnicities or ethnicities. So now going straight to the characteristics, here says that is the current problem interest? I would say yes. It is important to me, and I would say for my team also, to analyze and to see the diversity and the outputs that come from a classroom that has students from different places. Is this problem likely to continue into the future? Sure. It has happened. It has happened since years ago, and also people keep emigrating to other places. People from the, let's say, from the farms are still coming to the city, and there is when you will see that diversity in the classroom. How large is the population affected by the problem? In this case, it depends where the problem is being developed. If we go straight to this problem, I would say that a big percentage from the population is being affected. Okay, and that's it.